Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your REDMI Buds 6 Lite with your Android device. You have to start by open settings and now go to connected devices. After that click pair new device and now open the charging case. Press and hold this connectional button until this light starts flashing. Here we go. Now, we should see it at the device list. So just click on it and then click pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!